In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best off-road hoverboard that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Jetson Spin All-Terrain Hoverboard. The Jetson Aero all-terrain hoverboard has a really light feel to it and a slim design. At only 19 pounds, this is the lightest hoverboard I have ever tested, and honestly, it feels like you're walking on air. The self-balancing scooter comes with a pair of 6.5-inch rubber tires which can make the roughest terrain feel like a smooth ride. It also has a 300-watt dual motor which can push to a top speed of 7 miles per hour with a 7-mile range per charge. It's definitely not the fastest on this list, but certainly not the slowest as well. Number 2. Swagtron T6 Off-Road Hoverboard. The Swagtron T6 Off-Road Hoverboard is a beast of a machine. This bad boy has a pair of 10-inch rubber tires, which are nylon-infused and reinforced with alloy steel. This means they are shock-absorbent. Needless to say, they can travel across any terrain, gravel, rocks, mud, you name it. It doesn't matter if there are bumps in the road or if you are going at a 30-degree incline, the rubber tires will ensure a smooth ride. All of this is enforced by a self-balancing technology and a powerful 300-watt dual motor. Number 3. Gyroor F1 Hoverboard. The Gyroor Hoverboard looks like something from the future. Its design was inspired by the traditional look of Formula 1 cars, hence the name Gyroor F1 Hoverboard. Honestly, this has to be the best-looking self-balancing scooter I have seen, but I understand that some people might find it a bit gimmicky. Especially with the race car sounds, don't worry, you can turn them off. A solid-looking design is great and all, but what more does this hoverboard have? Well, almost the entire body is made from aluminum, and the big SUV tires are adaptable to any terrain. So far, apart from the unusual tires and design, everything seems pretty standard. Number 4. GOGO Off-Road. The GOGO Hoverboard is the perfect self-balancing scooter for both adults and kids. This also incidentally makes it the perfect gift for anyone. The hoverboard has a pair of 8.5-inch rugged tires that can go through most rough terrain, including snow. Likewise, its 400W dual motor can push to a maximum speed of 6 miles per hour and can handle a 10-degree incline. Certainly not the best on this list, the GOGO self-balancing scooter feels more like a kid's toy rather than an off-road machine. Number 5. TOMOLOO V2 Eagle. The TOMOLOO hoverboard has a simplistic design, inspired by the eagle of the northern grasslands, or so they say. The self-balancing scooter has a pair of tough rubber wheels that can take you through most obstacles. While the dual motor will help you climb a 20-degree incline, you can only achieve a maximum speed of around 9 miles per hour. Of course, with any budget piece of technology, there need to be sacrifices. With the TOMOLOO hoverboard, that sacrifice takes the form of a more limited battery, a battery that won't even last you an hour and with a charging time of around 3 hours. You will find yourself waiting for your hoverboard to charge more often than not.